We've got both impact days and alert days over the next couple of days. I want to remind you that an impact day is when the weather could potentially impact your normal routine. Alert day is when the weather could be life-threatening. So tomorrow, impact day. We do have the chance for some storms at times during the day, starting after sunrise, lasting into the evening. A few of those could turn strong to severe, but we do have alert days on Friday and also on Saturday. Friday, we're watching for severe storms after about 9 p.m. Saturday, throughout the entire day, we need to be weather aware. So we're going to break that down for you day by day because there's a lot going on here over the next couple of days. So first, we'll start with tomorrow. We do have that risk of strong storms starting after 7 a.m. lasting through 6 p.m. Main threats with those storms look to be golf ball size hail or strong wind gusts. That means we could have some severe thunderstorm warnings tomorrow. This is a marginal level 1 out of 5 risk covering much of central and south Alabama. Once again, watching for strong winds and the potential for some hail. Timing it out hour by hour, 6 a.m. as you're headed to work or school. Still pretty quiet at that point. It's after about sunrise lasting into the later morning hours that we start to see a few storms develop, especially through lunchtime. That's where some of these scattered storms could turn strong to severe. It's not going to storm everywhere tomorrow. Not everybody's guaranteed to see rain and thunder, but just where those storms do develop during the afternoon and evening, a few of them could turn strong. Now let's move on to Friday. It is not going to storm all day Friday. In fact, during the morning hours, we're breezy, mild temperatures in the 50s. Even through the afternoon, will be very warm and mainly dry, with winds increasing and also clouds increasing before we bring in that threat for severe weather late Friday night. And that is going to be an enhanced level 3 out of 5 risk for our northwesternmost communities. Marion, Winston, parts of Coleman, Walker, Fayette, Lamar, Pickens, into Tuscaloosa, northern Greene County, all spots where we've got that level 3 risk for some strong to severe storms starting 9 p.m. Friday, lasting through about sunrise on Saturday. So this is an overnight threat, pretty much all of central Alabama included in some type of risk. And what we'll be watching for is damaging straight line winds, hail. Can't rule out a few tornado warnings late Friday into early on Saturday. So it's really important you've got ways to get warnings before you go to bed Friday night. An additional round of severe storms likely on Saturday. We will start the day with some lingering thunderstorms, and it's been a while since we've dealt with active weather across Alabama, so what should you be doing right now? At this point, don't panic. We've made it through plenty of severe weather days, and we're going to make it through this one together as well. The best thing you can do right now, stay informed, alert others. Make sure your friends and family know that we are going into kind of an active period here where we need to be weather aware tomorrow, Friday, and on Saturday. A good time to go over your tornado plan, check your tornado kit, and then just be sure you've got multiple reliable ways to hear warnings. And don't rely on an outdoor siren. That's not a reliable way. It can be one of your ways to get warnings, but you need an app, a NOAA weather radio, multiple ways that will wake you up if you're sleeping Friday night and through the day on Saturday. This is an enhanced level 3 out of 5 risk for basically all of central and north Alabama. Saturday through the day, we'll be watching storms capable of producing wind damage, large hail. We could have a few strong tornadoes as well. So this is kind of looking like one of those classic spring setups for us where we do have to monitor that potential for a few tornadoes. Timeline for those storms looks to be 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. This is going to be one of those wide window events where you have to be on guard throughout much of the day. 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. for places like Aliceville, Tuscaloosa, Arley, Jasper. 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. for locations like Selma, Calera, Springville, Gadsden. 3 p.m. to 1 a.m. for communities like Ashland, Roanoke, Auburn. So of course, in the coming days, we're going to be really breaking this down, fine-tuning that forecast for you. But the active weather pattern starts tomorrow with an impact day, a few scattered storms possible, round of severe weather late Friday night, and then watching severe weather potential throughout much of the day on Saturday.